Alright, let's cut to the chase. This video is going to change the way you think about public speaking. If you've ever walked on stage, froze, stumbled over words, or worse, just felt completely lost, this one's for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open your speech in a way that hooks your audience right from the start. And trust me, there are some game-changing strategies in here, things you might have never thought of. So stick around because you're about to learn the worst mistakes you need to avoid like the plague, the best strategies to captivate any room within seconds, real-life examples that you can start using today. This video will help you deliver presentations that make people listen and remember. So watch till the end because missing any of this could seriously cost you the success of your next big talk. Plus, at the end, I'll share a secret weapon to elevate your public speaking even further. Okay, let's dive in. The worst speech openers. First mistake, technical issues. How many times have you heard someone start with, "Are the lights too bright?" or "Is this mic even on?" Listen, if you do this, all people will think about for the rest of your speech is whether you got your mic working. Pro tip: tech check before you hit the stage. Don't let small distractions steal the spotlight. Second mistake, admitting your nerves. This might sound relatable, but here's the truth. Once you admit that you're nervous, your audience gets nervous. They'll start scanning for every sign. You're shaking hands, your voice cracking. Don't make them worry for you. Come in strong and they'll follow your lead. Third mistake, boring introductions. And finally, please, I beg you, don't start with, "Thanks for having me." It's robotic, it's lifeless. Unless you can turn it into a joke, leave it out. Audiences want energy, they want personality. The best speech openers. All right, now that we've covered what not to do, let's talk about how to knock it out of the park. Speech opener number 1, tell a story. Nothing grabs attention like a good story. If you can bring people into your world within the first few seconds, you've already won them over. Take this example from David Brooks. He opens with a personal story about a low point in his life. Instantly, we're hooked. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be relatable. Speech opener number 2, present your big idea. Sometimes you don't need to build up suspense, just drop your bombshell right away. Stacy Smith nailed it by starting her speech with a big, bold idea, and then surprising her audience by saying it's about movies instead of something heavy like nuclear arms or immigration. It's clever and it makes people want to know more. Speech opener number 3, use humor or curiosity. Everyone loves to laugh or be intrigued, so if you've got a quirky one-liner or a curious fact, use it. Vanessa Van Edwards does this brilliantly by saying, "Hi, I'm a recovering awkward person." Boom, instant connection. Or try asking a thought-provoking question like, "Did you know we are lied to 200 times a day?" Now, who's not going to stick around for the answer to that? Look, if you nail the opening, your audience will hang on to every word you say after that. But this is just the beginning. Once you've got their attention, you need to keep it going throughout your entire presentation. If you're serious about becoming a confident speaker, you can't miss my previous video, Public Speaking Hacks 5 Ways to Instantly Boost Your Confidence. It will take your skills to the next level and is a perfect complement to everything we've discussed today. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because there's so much more to come. You got this.